You know, I didn't ever think that this could happen to me.
What?
You're the first guy who's ever treated me right.
What? That's a red flag.
That you're treating me right is a red flag?
You said I was the first guy that's starting to treat you right.
Yeah, I thought that was a green flag because I've been through so many
Yeah,
red
but
flags.
why would you tell me that? I know I'm doing a good job. Now you just ruined things.
I don't see how I ruined things.
Really? You're the first girl that is nice to me.
I'd say that's a good thing.
Why would
Like
that be
setting your boundaries for future?
No, that
like if
means
we
you
don't
like bad boys. That
Yeah,
treat you
I
like-
know! I know!
So this
No,
isn't
but
gonna work out, is what I'm saying.
Oh, well, obviously, do you think you're a bad boy? You think you fall in that category? You don't. You're just a nerd.
So then why
That's
are you
why I'm
talking
saying this is
to me?
working. Because you treat me nice. Because you're
Yeah,
a good
but you
guy.
like bad boys.